HooplaKidz, look at this gorgeous rainbow heart. Do you fancy having a go at drawing and painting it? Oh, you do? We'll start with the baby one in the middle, and then we just do bigger ones around the outside, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And one more. There, ready to darken the border. We like a nice, bold, thick black colour because it really makes the colours stand out. Ready to paint? Start with red for the outside. You can use any colours you like, of course. Even different shades of the same colour would look fantastic. Perhaps you could start with the darkest on the outside and get lighter as you go into the middle. We're going to go for a lovely gold-orange colour next. There, just following the shape around, staying in between the black lines. Let's go for yellow now. You see how we're getting lighter? Maybe we should change the pattern now. What do you think? Yeah, let's go for green. Green and yellow, those lovely citrusy colours. Followed by blue. And last but not least, purple for our baby heart in the middle. There, it's perfect, don't you think? I just love it. What a gorgeous, vibrant, sparkly rainbow heart. Want to send your loved ones a lovely message? Then why not try drawing and colouring in these gorgeous heart emojis? They are so cute. We're starting with a cupcake covered in buttercream icing with a heart on top and some sprinkles. Lovely. Then we're going to do a smiley face all loved up with heart eyes. Brilliant. And lastly, we're going to do a love heart with wings because we are flying. We are so in love. Let's give it a halo because it's an angel. And perhaps some hearts in the sky. Yay! Darkening up the border, as always, to make the colours stand out. Lovely. We're going to do all our hearts red. That's right. We're going to stick to nice red hearts. Some yellow buttercream icing. And an orange cupcake holder. Back to the red. Who could you give this to? Perhaps your mum or your dad, even your best friend. What colour should we do the wings on this one? What will look good against the red? I know, blue. Wow, that looks really cool. I love it. A yellow halo? Yes. And a yellow smiley face. Woohoo! With red hearts, of course. You see how super easy that was?